data is arguably the most valuable asset that not only NGN have, but any organisation has. Without good data, you can't make sound decisions.
We have a lot of growth happening in our geospatial technologies across state government. So we see where location is playing more of a role, which is great in terms of more information, more data for analytics.
When we do collect data, we don't always collect where it is. And I think that's something that could really help us, whether you're working on a small building site or on a really small scale, or whether you're working on a really large scale, such as a railway to Leeds and Manchester coming in and out of Birmingham. Knowing the location of that data makes a massive difference to being able to interrogate it and do the work.
If we want to become more efficient and still deliver the service that we expect to our customers, is ultimately ensuring that the data that we have available to us as an organisation is as accurate and as validated as it possibly can be.
It needs to be of the highest accuracy and quality so that when they are making assessments against compliance or regulatory reporting, they really need to know that the information and the data that they've got can be fully trusted and relied upon.
We are not data specialists, but we really need good data and the technologies around data management to digitise our industry.
I imagine that we'll use technology and start using things such as digital twins in the future to virtually model our networks so that we're not always relying on people being out on site.
Where I see technology really coming to the fore is enabling us to make better use of that data and information and understand how we can get data right at source, because I think that's really pivotal to digital transformation. I see technology as being the route for us to be even smarter with how we run our business.
For me, the opportunity for innovation really stems from being able to bring together all of those multiple data sources, but provide our customers with services and technologies so that they can filter that data much more quickly and get to the insight and information that will enable them to make decisions faster.
Technology is definitely key to trying to drive better data and use that data properly. And for me, it's an awful lot about automation. So whether that's how we check the data, how we make sure it's right, and then how we make decisions based on that. Rather than that being 10 people working it out with their computers, that becomes piece of AI or a piece of clever software or code that can do that for us, which then frees us up as humans to do much more challenging, creative things.
A big topic here in the past few years to use location and geographic information to help at all levels of government for various assets and maintenance of assets and reporting.
For anyone who's thinking of working with OneSpatial, I would say that you are procuring the services of someone at the top of their industry and leading the way in how data and information can be used to transform your business.
We understand that geospatial data underpins many varied use cases, and we've seen that particularly over recent times with our support of the work that we've done for the COVID-19 crisis. We know that when you are making decisions that impact people's lives, you need to trust and know that the data that's feeding that process is of the absolute quality. And that's why it's important for us to work with organisations like OneSpatial. They have trust and data quality at the heart of everything that they do.